Guys, today I'm gonna show you what the difference is between the 8 horsepower and 9.9 horsepower engine. Okay, basically the engines are the same. If you can see, the 9.9 has the same engine as the 8 horsepower. So I compare everything between them, and what I saw is that the carburetors are different. And also the propeller is different. This is the old 8 horsepower carburetor from the factory. This is the new 9.9 carburetor from Amazon. The old one don't have an acceleration pump like the new one. What you also can see is that the old one have a restrictor on top and the new one don't have a restrictor. Also the throttle is a little bit wider on the 9.9 horsepower carburetor. So more air, more fuel, more power. Okay guys, the new carburetor is on the engine. Everything works, choke works, gas works, the acceleration pump works. It's amazing. So let's try out how fast this engine goes.